Il-Kap tal-Kumitati Ewropew għall-Libertajiet Ċivili, Sophie Veld, tenniet li l-Pulizija Maltija għamlet progress konsiderevoli fil-qtil ta' Daphne Caruana Galizija. F'konferenza tal-aħbarijiet f'Dwar l-Ewropa hija nnotat ukoll il-ħidma li għamlu l-uffiċjali tal-Europol u qalet li għandu fiduċja fis-sem tagħhom f'din l-investigazzjoni.
But I find it reassuring that they are closely involved. Very closely involved, and they've stepped up their involvement again in recent weeks. So I have confidence in them, yes.
Hija laqgħet ukoll b'sodisfazzjon il-progress notevoli li sar fl-investigazzjoni mill-investigaturi Maltin, tant li s-sibt li għadda resqu l-qorti l-allegat mandant bil-qtil ta' Daphne Caruana Galizija. Saħqet li dawn huma passi favur il-verità u l-ġustizzja.
On the murder investigation, we have seen in recent days, in particular the past week, that progress is being made, important progress has been made, which we welcome. That is a step in the direction of truth and justice.
Mistoqsija direttament dwar il-ħidma tal-Pulizija Maltija hija tenniet li l-Pulizija għandha rrieda li tkompli tinvestiga dan il-każ.
Yes, we are positive about elements of the investigation. I also think we need to recognize that any police force anywhere will always struggle a little bit with the balance between the need for transparency and the need for discretion. But we will, let's say, we recognize that there is certainly a willingness to investigate.
Veld innotat ukoll il-ħidma tal-Gvern sabiex jaħdem u jimplementa ir-rakkomandazzjonijiet tal-Kummissjoni Venezia.
We note that the process has been set in motion, the reforms that have been suggested by the Venice Commission that was invited last year at our suggestion. And it is vital that these reforms are implemented quickly and fully.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.